Dominic and Lacey dancing to Everybody Up on the Smurf Wii game. Lacey's beating Dominic! Back up a little, bud.
I'm a blue.
Yeah, you got it, Lacey. Good girl. Lily's doing some weird stuff back there.
I'm so blue.
Yep. Oh, actually, I think she's blue.
No.
We'll figure it out in a minute.
Oh no, I'm a pink, actually. I'm a pink.
I think you are because we switched the Wiimotes.
No.
Yes, we switched the Wiimotes. You had the red one before, but Dominic.